everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're new to our channel, welcome. We would love to have you as part of the Elegance family. So if you would hit that subscribe button below, make sure to turn on your post notification so that you will be notified every time we post a new video. Today we will be making two wedding/Valentine's decor. So if this is a project you think you may be interested in making, just continue to keep watching and let's get into making this beautiful decor. For this project you will need Styrofoam balls from the Dollar Tree, a vase of your choice, a dozen of roses from the Dollar Tree, a brooch, and decorative filler. Now you will need to spray your roses twice, being that they are a darker color. It does take a while to saturate the roses. You need to spray them, then wait 5 minutes, then spray them again, due to the fact that it takes a minute for the saturation of the spray to seep through the material. We're using a sheet of rhinestone, but you can use whatever bling wrap you choose and desire to use. If you're using the sheet of rhinestones, you definitely want to take your time when you are measuring it out and make sure that it is measured near perfect to your vase, because if not, you will definitely see the flaws when it is attached to the vase. We're using crushed glass, but you can use any type of decorative filler. So now we're placing the roses in a circle, and we will repeat this process until it's all filled in. For this project, you will need a styrofoam, a lantern, a brooch, 8 roses from the Dollar Tree. You can choose a lantern or a vase of your choice. You're placing the roses in a circle, and we will repeat this process until it's all filled in.